Hello, good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So today I will tell you how to consolidate one or two data sheets in the Excel. Okay. So as you can see in these slides, okay, this I have made this slide, and suppose I am having this slide number one, as you can see in this Excel sheet. Okay, having one side we are having a name of the student. Okay, name of the student, and along with their five subjects are there. Okay, physics, chemistry, Punjabi, English, and math. And this is for session 2018 and 19. Okay, and marks are given for each 11 students in the different subjects. Okay, so this is our one sheet, you can say, in Excel, which I have made in the Excel. This is for session number 18 and 19. Now, similarly, I have another sheets, and it is for session 19 to 20. And same students are there, same number of students are there, as you can see in these Excel sheets. Shaminder, Jinder, all up to 11 students are there, and their marks in the five subjects are given, as you can see in this slide. Okay, so we will see in Excel how to consolidate these two sheets. Okay, what is the meaning of consolidation? Consolidation meaning means we want to collect all the data. Okay, we want to add these data for each students. Okay, like in suppose if for in sheet number one, the marks scored by first students are 80, and similarly for the same students for the different session marks are 50, and total we want to consolidate the marks. Okay, so these marks will be added up, and it will create a new sheets. Okay, so in the new sheets what will you see? A consolidation of two sheets. So consolidation of two sheets होगा वहाँ पे, and in consolidated sheets, and the name of the students will be shown along with the total marks. ठीक है, उनके टोटल मार्क्स कितने आए हैं वो टोटल मार्क्स दिखाए जाएंगे, और इंडिविजुअल मार्क्स उसके कितने हैं उस फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर 10 हैं 12 हैं जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं. ठीक है, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट. सो सिमिलरली इफ यू हैव लार्ज नंबर ऑफ शीट्स 1 2 3 4, so sometimes it becomes difficult to add up all those marks. Okay, because we are having so many sheets, and how we will add those marks for the each and every student. So this is the thing where consolidation is helpful. Okay, through the process of consolidation in Excel, we can add up all the marks of the students, and in the consolidated sheets we have all the data about the marks of the all the students, and the total marks. Okay, like in consolidated sheets you will be getting the total marks for physics, for chemistry, then Punjabi, then English, and then math. Okay, and it will be for two session, because we are having two sessions, 18 to 19 and 19 to 20. In consolidated sheet will show you the marks, total marks, or addition of marks, you can say, for both the sessions. Now we will see how we can do this. Okay, suppose we have this sheet number one, as you can see, and similarly we have sheet number two. Now we want to consolidate these two sheets. So for this we will create another sheets like this. I will start it again. Let me delete this. Okay, because suppose we have this sheet number one, this is sheet number two, then we have another sheet, we can add another sheet from here. This is another sheet. Now you select any cell here. Okay, you have selected this cell, and then go to data, and then there is the option consolidate. And here in this window consolidate, you can see we have function. There are different functions: sum, count, average, max, minimum, product, count numbers. Okay, we want to sum all the numbers. Okay, for both the sessions and for each and every students we want the sum. Okay, so we will select this, and here it is a reference. You can see this logo or this icon. You will click this icon, so this type of window will be there. Then you will go to sheet number one. Okay, which you want to consolidate it, it will show sheet number one, sheet one, like this. And then you will select this sheet number one, and then you will click this icon. Okay, this will give you the reference like this, as you can see. Okay, so sheet number one has been added up, so you will click this. So finally it has been added like this. Okay, similarly we can add another sheet. You will go to second sheet. This is second sheet, again you will select it like this, and Finally, selecting the whole sheets, what it will give you here again, you will be getting sheet 2, and like this. You will again add these sheets, and here all references, all both the references, you will find both the reference here. All the references are here there. Sheet 1, this is for sheet 1, and this is for sheet 2. And here you can see use labels in. There is one option, use labels in. Labels means yeah, the top row, which is given in your sheet 1 or sheet 2, top row and left column, we want both. Okay, because we want the left column also, and we want the top row also. See, we will be selecting both these options. And then this create links to source data, there is option. Okay, so when you will tick mark this, or when you check this create link to source data, you will select this okay, you will press the okay. This will give you another sheet, this 5 of this shape, of this form, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the consolidated data of all the students for the two sessions, 2019 to 20 and 18 to 20. So on, we are getting labels on the left column as well as top row. Top rows we are having labels, these are the labels, and on the left columns we are having the labels of this type. Okay, and here you can see this, you are seeing this plus sign. Plus sign means it is giving the sum of the student. Shaminder, it is written plus. So you can see this is consolidation. This means the this is giving you the marks for this student for both the sheets, for first sheet, for second sheet, and this is total marks. Okay, so first in you can verify it, like here for Shaminder, he has got 80 marks in 19 to 20, and in 56 marks. So 80 to 80 and 56 है ना, 80 and 56 are marks na, for both the sessions. So here you can see 80 and 56 marks for this student. So this is consolidation for seat 1, consolidation for seat 2, and here you are getting the sum of these two marks. And it is for, similarly you can see for every students here. This is for physics, chemistry, Shaminder. Okay, for first student. So for first student, you are getting the consolidated marks from both the sheets for both the sessions as well. Okay, 134, 128, and 144. Okay, so similarly, you can expand this also. It will give you the consolidation marks of both the of these students. Okay, this is for sheet 1, 2, and similarly for all the student. You can see the consolidated marks in the consolidated sheets. So this is how we are making, how we are doing the this consolidation method in your Excel. Okay, so this, in this examples we are having only two sheets. Suppose if there are a number of sheets and there are a number of students, and we want to add the marks of those students, and we want it also for number of sessions, or we want it for two sessions. So in that case, your this consolidation method is very useful. Okay, so I hope you have understood this method of consolidation of seats. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Thank you.